know how to track your portfolio annual return on Afrivestor. Now, Afrivestor has a personal portfolio view where once logged in, you see a comprehensive breakdown for your holdings, composition, and status on one screen. It offers portfolio analysis and analytics like moving averages and year-to-date trends to help with buy/sell decisions. Now, Afrivestor 2.0 specifically added multi-portfolio tracking, so if you have several accounts or portfolios, it shows it on holding, wallet balance, and trading history separately. Now, note your total. This how to calculate it yourself in case the app doesn't show you directly. Note your total portfolio value at the start of the year or when you start investing. Check your current total portfolio value in the app. Add back any dividends received as cash during the period. Your rough annual return is equal to your current value plus dividends received minus starting value, everything divided by the starting value times 100.